today's video, we're going to see something a little bit different. Now, when we first reviewed this, well, we weren't sure what was going on. We thought these coyotes were playing or wrestling. And then, once we listened to the audio, we could understand what was going on. What we see here is a coyote defending his territory against another coyote, which means these are coyotes from different packs. And remember, a pack is just a small family unit. And this answers that question we've had for a long time. Why are these coyotes we're seeing so skittish? Why are they always turning and looking over their shoulder, even when they were feeding? Well, the answer is we haven't been seeing the same coyote over and over. There's multiple coyote packs in this area, and they are looking out to make sure they're not getting attacked, making sure that someone doesn't impinge on their territory, and we have seen a lot of scent marking. In the early videos, we would see a coyote scent marking on either the left side of the screen or the right side of the screen. We still don't know if that is the same coyote doing the markings, because really it can't tell these apart. So it is possible that it's just a single coyote marking on either side of the territory, or it is two separate coyotes or multiple coyotes scent marking in different places. Additionally, it also could be multiple coyotes scent marking in the same place. They smell the other scent and they try to cover it up. But really, this video answered a lot of questions, and it created some questions too. So this is about the point in the video where I say, wow, isn't it amazing what we see when we leave a camera up in the woods? But I'm not going to say that this time, because I'm going to say, wow, isn't it amazing what we can learn when we leave a camera up in the woods? Leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
Beanmeister 22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.